This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from your Infiniti Q60. Before starting, prioritize your safety. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to shield against potential acid or electrical hazards. Ensure your vehicle is completely off, with the ignition key removed and the parking brake firmly engaged. You will need a 10mm wrench and possibly a battery terminal puller for this task. Next, locate your Infiniti Q60's battery, typically found under the hood, often on the driver's side. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and a black cable. Remove this cable first to prevent short circuits. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Make sure the disconnected cables do not touch any metal surfaces. With the terminals safely disconnected, proceed to remove any clips, straps, or brackets that secure the battery in its tray. These hold-downs prevent the battery from shifting while driving. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 to 50 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, then reinstall and tighten the hold-down bracket securely. When connecting the terminals, reverse the removal order. Attach the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and secure before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.